Hey guys, it's Jake here with eTrailer. Today we're going to talk about jump starters, also known as jump boxes. Now if this sound is familiar to you, then you've probably got a dead battery, and today we're going to show you how to solve that problem by using a jump starter. The first couple things we need to do is we need to be sure that our vehicle is in the off position, that is not in accessory mode. And the next thing we need to do is make sure that our jump box is also off. Then we need to locate where our battery is on our specific vehicle. So on our vehicle, our battery is going to be up under the hood, much like most vehicles. But some vehicles are going to have the battery in the trunk area. So just make sure you find your battery in your specific vehicle. A lot of batteries will be underneath a storage compartment like we have here, and you'll have to remove a couple of screws to be able to access the terminals. In those vehicles, you may have jumper points, which you'll see a plus and minus sign to be able to attach jumper cables so that you don't have to remove that cover in case of an emergency. But today we'll be removing the cover to access the battery directly. Now that we have our battery cover removed, we'll attach the positive to the positive post on the battery. Then we'll attach our negative to the negative post on the battery, or another one of those quick access points that we pointed out earlier. The reason why you want to attach the negative post second is so you don't have sparking when you connect your connectors. Now we need to turn our jump starter on, and we'll try to start our car. Now if your car doesn't start right away on the first jump, leave the jump starter on for a few minutes and then try it again. Now that your vehicle's running, we'll come back outside, turn our jump starter off, disconnect the negative, and then the positive, and then you can put your cover back on your battery. Now once you've got your car started, you want to be sure to not turn it off. You want to drive it around so that the alternator can recharge the battery a little bit. It's best if you can leave it running between a half hour and an hour so that you get a good enough charge so that you can get your car started again. The other thing you want to do is you want to be sure to keep your jump starter recharged. Depending on what size it is, you may have just drained it with that one jump. So you want to make sure you keep it charged up so that it's ready for you for the next time. Another thing that you want to do is you want to check your terminals. Your terminals may have been the reason why your battery didn't start if there's not a good enough connection, if your terminals are corroded. And finally, if your battery keeps going dead, then you most likely just need to get a new battery. Well, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.